Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a keyboard is not working or keyboard keys is not working on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, right click on the Windows icon here, go to settings, then you need to look for, as you can see here, accessibility, and then look for scroll down until you see keyboard, look for it, and then make sure that the filter keys is turned off. If it's turned off, then look if the problem persists, if you can write or not. If you cannot write, then you need to just select on screen keyboard here, because you need that. Then you need to just right click on the Windows icon here, and then you hit run. And then with the keyboard, you need to write regedit here, right? Then select yes. And then what you need to do here is to, as you can see here, I already did that, but you need to look for a HKey local machine. Then after that, you need to go to system. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, current control set. Then you need to go to services, and then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, there is a one task. So probably I missed. No, let's go. Scroll down a bit, and you will see this task. I8042 PRT, right? Double click on start, and then value data, select not 3 but 1, right? Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.